Okay, welcome to part 3. Cylinder head's back. It's just been skimmed. Just get this. It's all nice and skimmed on the face. I'll clean up the valves faces and reseat them all. Ordered a whole new bit. The alternator's on back order, that'll be about 3 weeks. Got a new water pump, got a refurb kit for the carburetor. Painted all the fans, well the outside bit just to make it look a bit better. I've got a brand new radiator, piston rings, sump, gasket kits, oil seals for the valves, new timing wheel. Yeah, pretty much as much as I could get for it. So it's going to start fitting the pistons back into the, well, I'll put the piston rings on the pistons and start assembling all. So here goes nothing. So one thing to watch when you're doing the pistons is the carbon build up inside all the rings where the rings fit. You just take an old ring and take the sharp bit and scrape it inside it, just to clear all the carbon up. I'm going to wait to fit the new rings. You just want to make sure they're absolutely clean and there's no rock in it at all. So these are the new piston ring sets. Obviously you've got your compression ring, an oil control rings and the middle ring. It comes in these wee kits. There's your oil control one and the other two.
And look, here's my tool.
Yeah, I've not seen that working yet.
I'm hoping that's the easiest bit.
Right, these are the bearings or the shims. There's no shims, are there? They're big end bearings.
Standard.
30 pence.
That's it, ready for the...
Right, so that's all the valves in.
That's all the valves in.
All the seals. So that's the cylinder head assembled. Well, most of it assembled. Crank's not in yet, obviously. Manifolds are on. New bit for the exhaust, where the exhaust sits in. Valves have all been lapped. You can see there, so all the valves are lapped, and then cylinder head is nice and clean after it's skimmed. So the plan is now to we'll set it back into on the top of the main block now, and then put the crank in, the shaft in place, torque everything up properly, put the new bolts in. So that's the plan. Then I might take this stuff off and get the block painted, and then hopefully that should be it for the engine. I can maybe try and see if we can get the thing to fire. That's the plan. And then we'll crack on with all the wheels underneath, control arm replacement, etc. We'll see how much is needed. So, yeah, cool.
Get some bolts, just put some bolts in just to secure it.
that's a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not much those ones, is it?
No. These are just aluminium. You don't overtop these.
What is that, timing wheel?
A camshaft wheel.
Aye, camshaft.
They call it timing, fair enough. It's a camshaft with gear.
Yeah.
Call it a gear.
Yeah, a brand new one. Yeah, as the old one, didn't really need a new one, but I just got a new one anyway. What is it, 60?
3/4. That's quite big. To get it in line with a bit that I can lock it.
Can't no mark it.
No. Yeah, when I tighten that up, that'll lock against that, then it'll move. Okay?
Yes.
59.
Was that a total?
That's it, dark. Yeah, that's nice and free.
Yeah, so got quite a fair bit done there. Got everything, the cylinders honed, the engine rebuilt, cylinder head rebuilt, piston rings in. So that's everything assembled up to now. I'm waiting on the alternator, which is in back order. So in the meantime, I'm stripping a wee bit off the front. I'm going to paint the main block, and that'll be the next one. So next video, I'm hoping to do the engine completely assembled and get it fired and going, and then we'll start concentrating on the rest of the stuff. But thanks for watching, and I need to give a wee mention to Emily, who apparently takes the mickey out my Scottish accent, her and her dad. So if you haven't subscribed already, hit subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.